trusted post-game wellness partner, Hire, our official home innovation partner, LGR, the Impure brand, our official hydration partner, Janeco Tech, our official IT partner, our
ating Pocari Sweat Obstacles Challenge. Meron tayong dalawang team to participate in this game. Ang kailangan lamang nilang gawin ay ma-surpass ang ating mga obstacles. May sitang bola, inumin ang ating Pocari Sweat at least half. At sabihin sa ready na ang ating dalawang team. Ready, get set, go! Come on guys, run for it! Shoot that basketball! Meanwhile, babalik na tayo! Sino kaya ang makakashoot? Ilea, pumasok! At least half of that! Bring it! Come on! Kalahati! Sige, makakalahati lang kayo! Ilea, Pocari Sweat! Ayun lang, naunahan lang si Kuya! Maraming salamat! Winners dito courtesy of Pocari Sweat, makakatanggap sila ng prizes. At maraming salamat. Yan ang ating Pocari Sweat Obstacle Challenge.